Hello, this is Jamie from Damask Cats. Today we're going to build the Boots and Barkley cat scratcher. This is the like the crystal shop, Madame Le Chats. It's very cute. I got it for clearance for like $12.49. Was $24.99. So check out the clearance section at Target. Let's get started. Hi you guys, it's Jamie. Welcome to Damask Cats. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and open it on a live. If you are not, please subscribe and follow all of my social medias so that you can participate in the live. So we're going to go ahead and build this, and right after this you are going to see the finished product. And this is the final product, everyone. This is the crystal job.